What's up guys, I'm Austin with Austin Makes Stuff. Today I'm going to show you how I installed my new LED shop lights. So let's get started. So I got these shop lights off of Amazon recently because the main light that I had in my garage stopped working and I needed more light in there anyways. These are the Hykolity 4-foot linkable LED shop lights. These come in a pack of 4 for about $100. You can choose to mount these directly to the ceiling or by a chain. My shop doesn't have a garage door on it and it's open to the elements. Wind blows in there all the time. I think hanging it by a chain would be a mistake. It would just blow all over the place. What I'm doing here is basically making this board into a template. I put one end at the hole at one side and then I take the other end and mark where the hole lands on the board. That way I can take this board up to the ceiling and my spacing for every light will be the same. So all I do is put a screw in, put the board against it, and wherever that line falls, I mark it with another screw and then drive it in with a screwdriver. Mounting the light is easy as putting the screw heads into the holes and then sliding it into place. The distance you put in between your lights is entirely up to you and it really depends on your shop setup. But mine needed to be about 2 feet apart. I just repeated this process 3 more times until they were all installed. Now you can see me come back with a screw and put it at the end so that it doesn't slide back off of those holes that it's mounted on. After I was done, all that was left to do was hook them all up and let there be light. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've stuck around, please consider subscribing to my channel. That way, whenever I put out a new video, you'll be notified.